Yes, WEVD was the radio in the house, and the forwards, and they bought the forwards, and in those days the forwards came out daily, I believe, so they would read the forward every day. My mother especially. My father would sometimes get another paper, Yiddish paper.
Do you know which one?
I think it was the Tug, but I'm not really sure.
Der Tag, yeah.
Yeah, and I would ask on Sunday if they can get the English paper, the Daily News in those days, and sometimes they did for me.
Do you remember what you used to listen to on WEVD, which was the radio arm of the Jewish Daily Forward, of the Vorwärts, of the Yiddish newspaper?
I don't remember during the week, but I remember on Sunday there was it was a news channel. They were doing news, and then there was the Grammeister. I think he was called the Grammeister, and he was oh God, I'm thinking of his name. He was an actor also in the Yiddish and in the American theater. He was in Fiddler on the Roof, the actor who played the rabbi. So he was always on the radio. Tzvi Skuller is his name. And he, my mother just found him to be so entertaining, and he would like do comedy, you know. And then I think Saturday night there was also the Yiddish radio on Saturday night. So we would listen to that, you know. I had no choice. I mean, this is all we had. But my father just loved to listen to the radio, and then he also enjoyed his Yiddish records. He had a record. He got himself a little record player, and he would put on Moishe Oisher and some other chazunim cantors, and they would be singing these wonderful, you know, songs.